Daddy, fly!
Just a minute.
Okay, I'm recording. You gonna bring it towards us?
Just give me a
Daddy,
minute
fly
to Oscar, chill out.
You gonna trim? Oh, you almost docked it on the lily pads.
Oh, there it goes! Look at it!
Keep going, keep going.
Yay!
It survived.
I can't get it back.
Okay, can you tell where you're turning? You're straight at us now.
Yeah.
Now you're going to the...
He's coming at us now.
Let's see what I broke. See, that's how a piece of junk it
Does
is.
it break every time?
So far.
When you slam it?
Woo!
Oh!
Alright, get in the boat, go! Push me off here. Go!
Oscar, look out there. There's a little